So let's take a look at what we'll be expecting this week on our AUDUSD. So to those of you that are yet to subscribe, if you are new to this channel and you've not done that yet, make sure you do it to click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comments. You can also follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. The link to the Telegram channel will be in the comment section. So follow the Telegram channel and stay updated. Now, if you take a look at this movement, first thing first, we need to go to the higher time frame because we would want to understand what markets will be doing this week on our Euro USD. So first thing first, we would want to know what is the trend. That is the first thing you would want to ask yourself. What is the trend? And you can clearly see that on our AUD USD, we are in an uptrend move. So market is very clearly in an uptrend move. Now, this is the movement that AUD USD gave us. It gave us this high. Then here comes the higher low. Market was able to push up to form a new higher high, and here comes the higher low. Market was able to push up again to form a new higher high, and here comes the higher low, right? Market push up again to form a new higher high, and here comes the higher low. Markets then push up again to form a new higher high, and then here comes the higher low. Now that market has given us an higher low, right? We should be expecting market to push up again till it is able to form a new higher high. So guys, a new higher high is what we should be expecting next on our odd USD. So guys, this week we should be anticipating for a bullish move on our odd USD, right? So we should be expecting some buy because we should be expecting some serious movement on our odd USD. That is exactly what the weekly time frame is currently saying. Now let's go down to the daily time frame. So we need to understand what market is doing on the daily time frame. Remember, guys, if you are yet to subscribe and you have not done that yet, make sure you do well to click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you follow the Telegram channel. The link to the Telegram channel will be in the comment section. Back to our analysis on our AUD USD. So this is the high that AUD USD gave us, and then here comes the higher low. This is also the higher high that AUD USD gave us, and here comes the higher low. Here is the higher high that AUD USD gave us, right? And this is our higher low. Now that we've gotten this higher low, right? Our next movement on AUD USD would be another higher high. So guys, another higher high is what we should be expecting next on our AUD USD. So we should be expecting AUD USD to go ahead to give us a bullish move. So a bullish move, what we should be anticipating for next on our AUD USD. So we should be expecting AUD USD to reject from this support level, right? Now let's go down to the forward time frame. You can clearly see that on this forward time frame, market is rejecting from this level right here. There's a major rejection at this zone, which you can call as our support level. Some of you might want to call it your demand zone, which is absolutely correct, which is not, which is absolutely not wrong, right? You can still see it as your demand zone because we can see that market has been rejecting from here multiple times. Multiple rejection market has been giving us from here, right? Multiple rejection that market has been doing right here. So now that market has given us this rejection, we should be expecting market to push up one more time. So guys, another bullish move what we should be expecting on our AUD USD. So we should expect AUD USD to go ahead and give us one more bullish move and push up. At least we should be able to see that bullish move, push up and take out this high, thereby forming a new higher high. So guys, whatever you want to also do on your AUD USD, a bullish move for the week is what you should be anticipating for. If there will be any changes to this movement that we just predicted, I'll make sure I let you guys to know. So in order for you not to miss out on the updates, all you just need to do is very simple. Click on that subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel so you will not miss out on any single update.